Hey everyone, if you guys are new here, my name is Charmagne. So make sure you drop your blue heart in the comment section below and also subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different, you guys. We are doing a Sunday reset. I am really just taking time to get back to myself, to make myself feel good and to only focus on myself. So as you can see, I am starting off with cooking some breakfast, some avocado toast, and then we're going to get my apartment together. I was kind of hesitant to really just show the state of my apartment in which it was in this particular day, but I wanted to be so real, so honest, and so transparent with you guys because for the ones who don't know, I do take care of my dad, and when I come back home, I legit don't want to do anything. I would be in my apartment days and days at a time, do not move. I would just get up, cook, put the dishes in the thing, sit back on the couch, do a little bit of work, do a little bit of research, and then that's it pretty much. So this day I was really gaining myself back in a sense. So I got up and did some cleaning. I turned on some R&B music and I just relaxed. So I'm not going to do too much talking. I will come in and out just to give you guys some dialogue on what I'm feeling or what I felt in that particular time. But yes, so enjoy.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I have a lot of nail stuff that I absolutely do not know what to do with it, from glitters, rhinestone, everything, stickers. I don't know. Comment below if you want it and I will mail it off to you.
Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and pitch. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta, just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-time, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside.